This is the day I have been waiting for. Oh my goodness. I am so excited to be cooking this recipe for you all. Why am I so excited? Because today we are getting ready to use my scrap purple cabbage. For those of you all who may not know, I took the bottom part of a red cabbage. This is a radicchio, but I just cut off the very bottom part, this part. I went outside and I stuck it in the dirt. That's it. I didn't do anything else. And from that one piece, I got 3 heads of cabbage. My cabbage. Take a look. So today we are getting ready to make what I call purple rice. This I call my scrap dish because, well, I grew the cabbage. This is just one head, okay? I got the rest still in the refrigerator. I have used some of it already because I love slaw. But this is the cabbage that I grew. It was beautiful out there. This is green onion that I grew from the scrap part, bottom of a green onion. This is garlic that's out in my garden. And the only thing that didn't come, this onion did not come from my garden, and neither did the radicchio. And of course, the rice didn't. But we are going to make an amazing dish. We are going to cut up the cabbage a little bit. I'm going to cut up the radicchio. And of course, we're going to cut up our other vegetables that go in there. So let's go ahead and get started. So just to be clear, you do not have to grow a cabbage or have a scrap cabbage or anything else scrap to make this recipe. Okay, and I will have all the ingredients and instructions on my website, pamspreps.com. Okay, so we have our green onion cut up. We are going to slice up some regular onion as well. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is add in our oil. I am using Strength Genesis macadamia nut oil. You can use any cooking oil you like. I will have a link to this in the show notes below. Just maybe about a tablespoon or 2. Let that heat up. Once your oil has heated up, I'm going to go in with both our onion and garlic together. Just want to let this saute for about a minute. Now we're adding in our scrap purple cabbage. Oh my goodness. You just want to saute this along with the onions and garlic until it starts to soften. Oh my goodness, my purple cabbage I grew from scrap. I'm sorry, I can't keep saying that. So if you garden or anything like that you want to garden, everybody should be growing something. I always say, anywhere you can sit a pot, you can grow a plant. Okay? So it doesn't matter if you're inside, outside, or whatever. Just one little plant can do a lot. So we're going to let this saute until it starts to soften. Once it starts to soften, we're going to add in our rice. You want to stir this to coat the rice. While our rice is coating, we're going to add in our seasoning. I am using my all-purpose Pam's Prep seasoning, and you can also use the no salt if you want that, or the fiery hot Pam's Prep, and you can also use salt and pepper. Again, the full recipe with ingredients will be on my website, pamspreps.com. Now we're adding in our radicchio. Again, stir to coat. Now we're going to add in our chicken broth. Make sure you bring this to a simmer. And we are going to cover and let it cook. And we'll be back. Ooh, we are done. Doesn't this look amazing? Oh my goodness. Ooh, it smells delicious. Look at that pretty purple color from the cabbage and the radicchio. Oh my goodness, this is a beautiful color. Now we're going to take half of our scallions, or quite a bit of our scallions, and we're going to stir those in. And we're going to give it a squeeze of lemon so that it can maintain the color. Okay? So I'm going to give it a squeeze of lemon, a little acid in there. Doesn't take much. Stir those green onions in. Ooh, smells delicious. I love, love, love the color. Put a few more in there. All right. Okay, we are all plated up. Oh my goodness, look at that. Doesn't that look amazing? Oh, it smells divine. Oh my goodness. From my scrap cabbage. I guess I'm so excited, y'all, because I've actually tried to grow cabbage from seed. Won't grow. I have not been able to get it to grow. So the only way I got it to grow was to use the scrap. Oh man, I'm loving it. You know, I actually had an organic cabbage, so keeping my garden organic. Okay, enough. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I'm Pam. Take a second and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 1.5 million subscribers, returning subscribers. Thank you so much for keep coming back. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. And for my channel members, those that are part of Pam's Private Pantry, thank you so much for joining. Your loyal, faithful support is appreciated. Okay. check out my other channels, Pam's POV, other tips, tricks, and hacks, Pam's pop-ups, where I go live. I give out information on recalls and things like that. So make sure you're connected over there, and at the Scaredy Cat Garden, where my cabbage came from. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh, we got to taste this. If y'all could just smell it though. It smells delicious. Still kind of hot. Oh my goodness. I can taste my Pam's purpose seasoning. And if you want a little kick, grab the Pam's. I can't even think of what it's called. I'm so excited. Grab my fiery hot, okay? Man, this is delicious. Okay. Y'all know I'm getting ready to go eat now. I'm on it. Cook me some fish to go with this. Delicious meal. And I will see you all next time. The good Lord willing, and the creek don't rise. Oh my goodness. Bye-bye.